Yo, what's going on, my VVOGs, my Omi homies, my fellow master collectors, and everybody else on YouTube? It's your bromie, the Gale, back at it again with another VV tutorial video. Ooh, welcome back, my VV fam. So, in this video, I'm basically going to show you guys how to navigate VV secondary market. So if you're unfamiliar with VV secondary market, then this is the video for you. So without any ado, let's breeze into it. So from the home page of your phone, you're going to want to load up the Veve app and wait for it to load up. At which point it's going to take you to the store. Alright, so from the store, you're going to want to go 1, 2, 3 tabs over to the market. And this is where we will begin. So from the top tab, you have Collectibles. So we're going to click on Collectibles. And what this tab is going to do, it's going to bring up a random assortment of every collectible on the Veve app. So if you just want to peruse and you don't care to order or brand, then this is the tab you're going to want to click. So let's get out of there. And if we click on the next tab called Comics, it's going to take us to the comic page. Same thing with the Collectibles. It's going to show us every comic available currently on the Veve app. In no particular order. So if you don't care, if you don't have a specific comic in mind, then just click on that tab and that'll bring you to the comics. So one tab over is my bids. So this is going to show you your bids on the auctions that you've made, current, won, and lost. And same with the comics. If you click on this tab right here, digital comics, current, won, lost. We'll get into that later. Alright, so listings. If you click on this tab, it's going to show you how many items and what items you have listed, so that you don't have to go trying to find them. It's all here for you. And then the auctions tab will tell you which auctions you currently have going. And then same with comics. If you hit this tab, it's going to show you how many what comics you have listed and auctions. So if we go back, the last tab is called Brands. If we click on that tab, we get a little more organized with the searching for collectibles. So we got the Batman Black and White. If that's what you're looking for, then it's going to have all the Batman Black and White in one tab for you to peruse. So that's very convenient. Let's take a look at another one. For example's sake, we will look at, let's see. Disney. We'll look at Disney. If you want all things Disney, then click on the Disney tab and you will have every product that Disney specifically offers. So the Brands tab is what I use very often. And with that, let's move on to the next portion of the tutorial. Okay, so next up, if you see the sliding collectibles section right here, this is basically recent items that have been dropped and popular items that have been bought recently. So as you can see, Silver Surfer, the Tesseract, the Welcome to San Diego poster, Comic-Con, or San Diego Comic-Con just got done wrapping up. So obviously the latest drops for those have been appearing. And then we got the Aya Agamotto, the Infinity Stones. Recently had a speculation that if you collect all of them, then you might get Thanos' gauntlet. So they appeared up here because people have been FOMOing into these. So that's what this tab is. And same with the comics. Recently dropped comics or popular comics that have been being bought up recently will appear right here. So that's what these sections are basically. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see popular brands. It's basically speaks for itself, popular brands. And the auctions gap section. So the auction section shows you auctions that are currently going and that are ending soon. So let's go to view all. And as you will see, we have a Loki Marvel Mighty. Current bid is 25 gems. Mint number 2413. First appearance common. Ends in 4 minutes. So let's click on that. As we scroll down, we will see that there's no bids on here. Nobody wants this item. You got 3 minutes and 55 seconds left for this auction. So let's go back to the other. Let's go to this. Let's begin Common Mickey. Same thing. Let's click on it. Okay, 26 bids. So this is a popular item. If we click on the bids, we will see who bid what and how long ago. So this is a hot item. It's a 3-digit Mickey Mouse. So yeah, 12 minutes left to go. And if I wanted to place a bid, I would place bid, and then I would the current bid is 15 gems, 0.30. So let me bid 15.40 gems. Auctions cannot be withdrawn. Non-payment of auctions will result in restricted market access. Confirm. Place bid. So I currently hold the lead. Let's check again. And the Gale is at the top. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So somebody will probably outbid me. We got 11 minutes to go, but that's how you do an auction. So let's back up out of here. And let's go back up to my bids. My bids tab that we looked at earlier. So we will see in Digital Collectibles that I currently have the leading bid. 12 minutes left. And that's how that's done. So whether I win it or lose it will appear in these other tabs. So I'll probably lose it, and that's okay because I didn't really want it. But that's that. So this last tab at the bottom, complete your sets. It's basically gonna fill up with items that you need to complete your sets. Like I have items for all of these, but I need these ones to complete my sets. And if you click on view all, it's going to show you all the items you need to complete your sets. And that's that for now. So let us move on. Okay, so let's take a closer look into a collectible so we can understand what's going on. Let's go to the Black Panther tab, and let's take a look at the uncommon Black Panther. So at the top right hand corner of every collectible, you will see a number. The uncommon number has 160. That means there's 160 versions of the uncommon listed for purchase. So let's click inside of there, and you will see the floor price is 24.99 gems. That means that's the lowest priced Black Panther uncommon. And let's click onto that one. At which point, we will, if we scroll down, we will see the details. The floor price is 24.99 gems. It'll tell you the owner, the edition number, the name of the item, the drop date, the list price, the editions. There's 18,800 editions of this uncommon Black Panther. The edition type is a first appearance, what season it was dropped, the rarity, the license, the brand, and the series. So if we click on this play button right here, we'll wait for it to load up, and it's going to show you what the item looks like in 3D full scale rotation. Takes a couple of seconds, and there we go. And we can turn it around at our own leisure. Pretty cool feature. You can zoom in, zoom out, and yeah, that's basically the collectible features in the market. If you wanted to buy it now, you would hit buy now. It'll bring up the confirm purchase, at which point you will have about 120 seconds to buy it, and that'll be that. So let's back up out of here and take a look at some comics. Okay, let's go to the comics tab, and we'll pick any old comic. Spider-Man issue number 2. So if you look to the top right corner, you'll see that there's 864 editions across all variants available for purchase. So if we click into the comic, we will see the individual amounts that are available for purchase per variant cover. So there's 575 for the common, there's 135 for the uncommon, and so forth. Let's go back to the uncommon and take a closer look. And as you will see, it is basically the same thing for the collectible. The floor price is 3 gems and 45 cents, or gem cents, whatever you want to call that. Let's click on that, and you will see the comic details. And yeah, that is that. So let's back up out of there, and yeah, Every comic has 5 cover variants, just so you know. And I think the rest is pretty intuitive. They're color coded. Also, green is for common, purple is for uncommon, blue is for rare, orange is for ultra rare, and red is for secret rare. And that's basically all you need to know about the comics for now. So let's back up out of there, and we can move on. And last but not least, let's take a look at the newly dropped Silver Surfer, so I can show you guys how to search by rarity and stuff like that. So in the top right corner, you'll see the menu icon. If you tap that ever so lightly, it'll pull up different ways to sort collectibles. So you can search highest to lowest in price, low to high edition wise, or listing date. So let's look at the edition, low to high, apply, and wait for the change. So you'll see number 41 is listed. 41 is the lowest mint number for collectibles. So Chai Dude has it listed for 12K, and as we scroll up, we will see the mint number increase in number. This is a quicker way to check for low mints if you're into that sort of thing. People value low mints on the Veve app for many different reasons, and yeah, that's one way to check. And then let's look for high to low, apply, and it might have similar effects. Yep, you see the price is 9.9 million. That person probably doesn't intend to sell. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that you can search by different categories. And with that, let us move on. And that's the video, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you learned something or enjoyed the content, feel free to drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more Veve content like this. So hopefully that tutorial was helpful for you. Just the basics of the Veve secondary market on the mobile device. Pretty straightforward if you just read around and play around with it, but you know, a tutorial can never hurt. So with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say ever is financial advice because I am learning just like you guys. I am just your friendly neighborhood genius. Sharing his thoughts and opinions on this awesome app known as Veve. So take everything that you hear from me with a grain of salt, because things could change. And as you can see, I was just outbid. I lost a bid, but that's okay, because I didn't want it anyway. But yeah, with that being said, if you would like to follow me on the Veve app, feel free to search The Gale on the web platform, where the search bar currently works. And with that, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out and huddle strong, and remember to be like water, stay liquid. Later.